Throw the one down, the down, they bite, and the little ones. Yeah, yeah, they're very smart. Yeah, we can learn a lot from them. Yeah, because to them, the bond of family is important. That's why we are forgetting that. We're forgetting the importance of family. And family is the closest people that are you when you break them down. So we need very well. Yeah. Yeah. And you took care of each other.
They have a show on Animal Planet called Meerkat Manor.
When they have the little ones, everybody has what they take care of the little ones. The first leader is
And then there's the zebras are all you would expect the
Uh-oh.
in Africa when we go through the one down, they bite and the little ones. Yeah. Yeah, they're very smart.
Copy.
Say yay!
Okay, size two. You cannot mix two different breeds. No, they eat vegetation. Leaves, trees.
Their eyes are really weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a
The only known relative
giraffe
of the giraffe.
family.
Relative of the giraffe only, the okapi.
Any questions? Do you have any questions?
Okay, let's go with Daddy. Let's go by Daddy. I know, there's more.
Just outside of the water. Now, hippos, well, actually, once they're born, they can weigh to be about 85 pounds. Though fully grown male hippos can actually, like them, can weigh as much as 5,500 pounds. Females weigh typically just a tad bit less, although they can swim, they do tend to sink to the bottom and walk along the riverbed. Once underneath the water, they can hold their breath for at least 8 minutes at a time. Not only do they love to walk underneath the water, but they walk on dry land as well. Usually at night, since they're night grazers. They can actually eat about 150.
Oh, wow. Look out there, Joe.
There too.
Wow, it's not moving at all. Oh, yeah, it is. Wow.
Males like to be by themselves, and females are really sociable creatures. Now, unfortunately, for the elephants in the wild, they are facing two major threats. Now, one of those threats for them being targeted by poachers for those ivory tusks that they have. The second threat is a habitat loss being caused by. Now, cheetahs are known to be the fastest land animal on Earth. Now, they do run up incredible speeds of 16 miles per hour, and it's only for about 20 seconds out of a time or so. Now, they rely on their eyesight much more than their sense of smell. So when it comes to a cheetah's hunting method, what they do is hide and stalk their prey. Let's see what we might see. Now, listen, we're going to be getting a better view of those zebras and even the ostrich from the other side. Now, the ostrich is known as the largest bird. It cannot fly, but it can actually run up incredible speeds of 35 and even 40 miles per hour. Now, once they lay eggs, their eggs weigh about 3 pounds each and only take about 45 days to hatch or so. Now, zebras are just upon the other side because we're not too far from them. But note that zebras actually have the same stripes. They are as unique as a fingerprint. You can actually tell zebras are black with white stripes, not white with black if you look at their noses. Ever wondered how strong is a hind kick to a zebra? Well, they can break the jaws of the attacking lion with one kick. Speaking of lion, you can see that female lion, and she's going for a nap.
See it up there? You see it? See the lion?
Now, it's usually female lions like her that do go hunting for food. Now, male lions are typically the ones that do tend to stay behind to protect the pride or pretty much just sleep. You can actually see a little piece of his mane back there. It looks like he's sleeping as well. It's another male and a female.